Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you why starting with the hardest task first gets you motivated and gives you a great workflow when it comes to cleaning around the house. So join me today as we tackle the house and especially the hardest tasks that are daunting. So now that it's, summer and there's so many tasks that you want to do around the garden and stuff, it can be quite easy to neglect some of the tasks that you've been avoiding, mainly around the house, such as the windows, like the windowsills themselves, because they're collecting quite a lot of dust with having the windows wide open, especially when we've just had a heat wave. So I start with the Hoover. I think it's a lot easier and faster to get all the dirt, and sometimes I don't want to get all my cloths dirty enough. So, hoovering all the dust makes the job a lot easier and more effective, really. So, I just hoover up as much dust as I possibly can get, and then I'm going to grab my Cif Cream Cleaner. This works wonders as well on PVC windows and doors as well as windowsills, so it works really well. Sometimes, if I don't have elbow grease available, I will use either the pink stuff or Cif Cream Cleaner, and it works magical with microfiber cloths as well. So yeah, I've been avoiding doing the windows because I've been busy, and sometimes you want to spend more time outside with friends and family or just being in the garden. You tend to do that, but then it's a seasonal task. You have to clean your windows, especially when you can notice the dust building up. So it's one of those tasks that is daunting to do, and I would say start with the hardest task first, because it's hard and you will feel better after you've done it. I promise you always feel better once you've actually done the task. So it's a mental thing. I always feel better after I have done it compared to if I start with the easy stuff first. So I'm gonna repeat the same process again with the door as well, because that dirt that's been staring at you and you just can't ignore it anymore. That's why we start with the hard task. And then I'm gonna grab my Cif Cream Cleaner again and use this one on the door. Like, again, it works really well with your on PVCs, and if you grab your pink stuff scrubber, now this area is going to need a bit more TLC, so I'm going to come back again on another video to show you how I remove that. So what to do when you don't have a sonic scrubber, then you can just grab any scourer that you used to do dishes with. This is, make sure it's an old one, or it's specifically dedicated one for cleaning, and you just use that. You don't even have to use the Cif Cream Cleaner. You can even use dishwashing liquid or any sprays that you have. But like I said, this particular corner, I'm gonna have to come back again and show you guys how I remove the buildup that's over there. And I'm just gonna get my microfiber cloth and I'm just gonna wipe off all the product. And as you can see, it's looking a lot more better than it did at the start. So yeah, this is why I'm saying that it's a lot harder, of course, to do the hard task first, but you will feel a lot better when you've done it. And because it's summertime, you want to spend more time outside with your friends, but if that particular area has been bothering you, it feels a lot better when you've done it. So now to the easier tasks just around the house, just restocking and refilling things around the house. I personally find that if I do the hard task, it's a lot more fun and a lot more easier should I say, when I do everything else, because I've got the energy and I'm very happy to take on all the other small tasks like laundry. But I would put laundry as a big task because I actually hate doing laundry. But doing my baby's clothes is a lot of fun, and it's a light-hearted task, and I enjoy doing that a lot more. to give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying the content, and let me know in the comment section below what you think. Do you normally do the hard task first, or do you prefer doing the easier task first? Another question, when it comes to your towels for your bathroom, do you roll them or do you fold them? I know some people like to fold them, but I actually really suck at folding, so I prefer rolling, and I find it more aesthetically pleasing to have them rolled up compared to having them folded. And I think maybe it works better in my house because I've got a little basket that I store all my towels, so I prefer having everything rolled compared to having everything folded. Let me know in the comment section below if you prefer folded or rolled up. So I'm now changing the bedding, especially on my son's bed. I do this maybe twice a week because sometimes I have a little bit of accidents and spillages of milk throughout the day and at night. So I'm changing that and putting his favorite blankie inside. So by the time I hoover around the house, I feel like I've accomplished most of the hardest tasks, and a sense of relief and a sense of joy comes because I've done the hardest part. So I'm really happy to always start with the hardest task first, because I feel like, number one, it gives me a sense of motivation to complete the task, and number two, once everything has been done, I feel the other tasks are just a breeze to tackle, especially if I've got a to-do list. So I would always start with the harder tasks first. But yeah, now I'm just tackling the easiest stuff. I'm going to disinfect some of my son's toys that he was playing with outside using the Milton tablets. And yeah, I'm really glad that I did this. And thank you so much everyone for subscribing to the channel and liking my videos. I really do appreciate it. Look forward to more videos, look forward to more hacks and how-to videos or cleaning motivation or whatever else you'll be looking for. Let me know in the comment section below if I've not done it for you, and I'll do my best to make sure it's uploaded and ready for you to use. So until then, you have a lovely day. If you can't wait till next week, please check out all my other videos or my playlist. You have a lovely day, guys. Bye.